Namaskar, I am Ankushal.
So friends, you can see that there are two candidates in front of me, Ananya and Ankusha. And today we have organized an activity. The name of this activity is Test Your Stamina and Your Brain. There are rows of 10 bottles for each one. And who will put the bottles front first in this circle, they will be winner. So let's see that who will be winner, Ananya or Ankusha. So both of you all ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. So let's see who is going to win, Ankusha or Ananya. So students, what do you think? Who will going to win, Ananya or Ankusha? Well done, Ananya. Ankusha, who is going to win?